Welcome, welcome. Let me see if I can get my comments up. I can see some people on, but no comments yet. Anyway, today I'm going to do a little rooster. I think he's so cute. Both of my daughters do chickens and stuff like this, so they love roosters, they love pigs, love all these little goodies. So what I'm going to do is this little chicken or rooster, and I'm using snow mesh, or I think it's called drift mesh, and basic red. I've got a 24-inch work frame. I've got some beautiful ribbons. Of course, she wants the car on it, and I didn't want to make it too Christmassy because she wants. What she's going to do is put it in her chicken coop. She's made a little mansion out there, so she's got it all decorated with curtains and towels and pictures on the wall. So she really loves her chickens. So I thought that's what we'd do today. Been feeling not so great today. I just had a really rough night, but I'm feeling a little better now. So I've cut these in 30-inch lengths, 10-inch mesh, and I'm going to do the woodland ruffle. I just fold that over and go a couple times. I'm loving your stuff that you are making. It's just gorgeous. Anyway, I've just fold that over and then just walk my fingers straight up the middle. And just put them into the work frame. And I'm just going to tie it once or twice to just give it in there, because I'm going to put my other stuff in there. But this red, I don't think it's a basic red, and it's really not covering my frame, so I think I'm going to have to add some more mesh in it. But I do the same on this, just do it 2 or 3 turns and then just walk straight up the middle. We have sunshine today, finally. We've had such a cloudy week last week. I don't think we've seen the sun but one day last week, so it's nice to see the sun. So what have you been doing, Johnny? Anything fun? I've got a lot done. I've got my Etsy stuff up, some of it, and I've done my YouTube. I've got it going, and I've got my website almost up and running. So, and I've got giveaway or whatever. It's an appreciation for my 5,000 followers here on Facebook, and I'm giving away a mesh roller, Susie Brown's mesh roller. So if you see that, it says King Sumo. Make sure you go in there and put your name in and stuff so you can be in the drawing. I think I run it for 5 days. I'm not sure. But if you don't get you're doing that nurse. I made one with them with the nurse gives the shots, calls the shots, and I took it to my doctor and doctor's office, and they put it above their little lab where they draw the blood. Thought it was cute. But anyway, make sure you go in and like it and get a chance to win that. Well, I guess you're not really winning it, but put your name in that may be drawn. I think that's pretty cool. I got 5,000. Actually, I have 5,300, and I just looked at it this morning. So you guys are awesome, 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 awesome. I'm in Utah. So Utah and Colorado, Sandy pastures in Colorado, so we've had a time with our weather lately. Hi Kay, how are you? We're just doing a little rooster wreath. I've cut my mesh in 30-inch lengths, and when we get to the ribbons, I've cut them in 4-inch or 12-inch lengths instead of 14. Yes, it's been really cold here, but today it's 38, I think, so it's on the mend to move up, warm up a little bit. Hi Angie, how are you? I'm just doing the woodland ruffle on this. Anyway, make sure you go find that King Sumo, and it's on my page, and put your name in. I don't know how they draw the names or anything. It's my first King Sumo drawing, so I think they draw it by the email, I'm sure. But I've never done one, so it's a first for me too. So I'm just alternating the colors. Hi Don, how are you? Didn't have time to put my things in the wreath therapy or anything. If you could do that. I got background music. That's my birds. Or maybe the TV's on. Let me go see if the TV's on. I hope it was my birds. They're saying hi, 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 hi. They're macaws and they like to sing. So like I said, I'm doing the woodland ruffles, and I just turn it up about 3 or 4 times on one end, clamp it. Don, I think the giveaway is, I think it said 5 days or 6 days. I haven't even checked to see if it posted right on my site, so. Anyway, I'm going to give the collapsible mesh roller, and or if it's, thanks Don, hi Cheryl, if it's too, if the shipping's too much, they can, I've got a gift card so I could do the equivalent, an Amazon gift card. So either way, it will be nice. Like I said, I've cut these in 30-inch lengths. That's 10-inch mesh. It posted and you entered. Oh, good. Yeah, I love my mesh roller. So you guys that don't have one, oh, you'd love it. Saves lots of time. Yeah, just roll that over a couple times to make a nice curl and clamp it. Lori showed us how to do this the other day, and thought it was really nice because it does makes your curls really nice. And then just walk it up the middle. And just give it a good 1 or 2 twists. So does it look all right, Don? I haven't even checked that. Hi Donna, how are you? If you go like and follow my page if you haven't already. We have a new group. Things are just getting exciting. I love it. Our group is the Team of Dreams. And there's 7 designers in that. And, uh-oh, I've lost some of my, oh, here they are. Except I had some big ones. Of course, they're falling on the table. Anyway, there's 7 designers in our little group. We've got Dawn with, Dawn's on here right now with Rooster Decor by Dawn. And we have Susan with AC Inspired Wreaths. We have Rita with Rita's Wreath Barn. Lavon, she has Forever Dreams of You. She does some beautiful furniture. There's Miss Susan, little miss. How are you, little miss? We have Sandy Pastor, she does Chalk Couture. I think that's all in me. So we're from one end of the time zone to the other. Miss Susie Q, is she on here? Susie, if you're on here, your wreath or your mesh roll or your collapsible one is what I'm giving out for my 5,000 mark. I'm excited. Okay, now I made some extra because I didn't like see how flimsy that looks. So I did a few extra of these little ones just at 20-inch. I'm just going to put 2 little ones in there. Oh, okay. I'm just going to put that on the bottom. Just ruffle it up a little bit. Then put a red one back onto it. Make it look a little bit thicker. So have you guys got your Christmas shopping done? I haven't. I bought 1 gift, and that's about it. Thanks. Hi Valerie, how are you? I just wanted a little bit extra because I can see the red. I see the frame through the red. I don't like that much. pretty good, I guess. That covers it a little bit better. So for those of you that just came in, make sure you find my King Sumo giveaway and put your name in there. Has anybody else? Sorry about that. I'm having my my live or my sale here at my house because I fell and hurt myself, and so now everybody's been coming to my house. We've been doing a kind of like a yard sale. Kind of like a yard sale. Okay, that covered pretty good. Let's put an extra one up here on the red. I like these colors together though. And we need one more right here. I think that fluffed it out pretty good. He's a little poodle that thinks he runs the whole business. He's got a little mouth that a little high-pitched bark. But he's a cute little guy. I'll have to show you what he looks like. I have both of my daughters, they like simple stuff. They're certainly not like their mom. So I don't want this too busy for her. So that's how it looks with just the, isn't that pretty? I like it. I'm liking it. I'm liking it. This is the first one I've made in a long time that I didn't do the poofs on. I like the poofs with the ruffles. It makes it look bigger, fuller. So I've got some really pretty ribbons that I'm going to put on. I've got a little red truck. Of course, everybody loves that one. Hi, Sandra. How are you? And this striped. This is from Sam's. This is from Deco Exchange. And I don't know where that one's from. It might be from Sam's too. So I just like to take them and fold them in half and lock them like that and lay them. I like to lay mine in flat, so it just kind of goes in there flat. And give that good 2 or 3 turns and come up from underneath, and then I just take 2 in one hand and 1 in the other. And it just kind of spreads them out just where they look like they belong. I think I'm going to sit down a minute. So what has everybody been up to this week? Fun things or what? Oh, I did a YouTube Sunday night on Lori's page, and boy, I was so nervous. I don't know why I was nervous, but I was. I kept thinking about her 100,000 followers. What if they all came on at once? I was panicked. But we made a cute little nightlight, elephant nightlight. Turned out really cute. So does anybody have, what's your plans for Christmas? Do you have dinners at your home, or do you go to your kids'? Or What kind of traditions do you have at Christmas time? Oh, I'm liking this. You have to work? That's no fun. We were just, I was watching Robin with Robin's Wreath and Stitchery is one of our designers too. And she made she makes cute stuff. Anyway, she did a ribbon tree, and out of hangers, no less. And boy, it was cute. You're eating at your daughter's? Where does your daughter live, Johnny? Going to Mom's? Christmas morning, I always make hootenanny pancakes. And I don't know, there's quite a few different names for them, but they call it the wedding pancake. And so one 9 by 12, or it's a big glass pan. So each one of them feeds one family. So I cook it like 5 times. And they each take their turn getting here. We usually have a Christmas Eve party with my granddaughter. It's her birthday, so we usually celebrate her birthday, and her birthday cake always reads "Merry Birthday," so that's kind of fun. And where does your daughter live, Donna? Oh, I just love this little red car ribbon. So cute. For those of you that didn't see, this is the little rooster that I'm doing. Isn't he cute? I love him. Got a little holly berries around his chest. Isn't he cute? Cute, cute, cute. And Folsom, huh? Well, that's kind of neat. I better let my dog in. He's only like 3 pounds. Thanks. Thanks, Don. See, this is my little guy. Look up there. Say hi to everybody. Say hi. Tell everybody hi. See how he just had a haircut, so look at his little skinny legs. Isn't he cute? He's shaking all over. Say hi to him, everybody. That's my Toby. We've been doing 12 days of, thank you, Marilyn. I think he's kind of cute. I've had Dobermans all my life, and I lost all 3 of my Dobermans last year, and I just swore I'd never have a Doberman. You get so used to all your little fur babies and love them so much. It's really hard when they have to leave us. And 2 of my Doberman were poisoned. and one his heart exploded. So it was a pretty tough year last year with them. George, that's a cute name. Yeah, Toby is. And then we've got a cat named Pretty Face and Curly Sue. Then we have two macaws. Dallas is your fur baby. I love that name. A Doberman Shepherd. Oh, I bet he's pretty. Yeah, I used to breed the Dobermans, and I had a blue Doberman, and he was the daddy of, I had a red mama and a blue papa, and they turned out the prettiest black you ever seen. Wee Wee is a Snyder. Snows. After Dad's name, huh? So there, I've got the bottom done. I'll just move up to the top. Like I said, I did these in 12-inch instead of 14 like I usually do. Is Tom on here? I didn't see him come in. Hi Tom, if you're here. Well, that's the way my little Toby has been this last month or so, since I hurt myself and come home with all my stuff here. He just won't leave me alone. Hi Tom, welcome, welcome. Hi Joy. I'm tired of making Christmas wreaths, though. I think I have 2 more to do. I got to do a let's see, a couple different pines. Then I'm through with Christmas. Have you guys started on your Valentine's and Easter? I did do one Mardi Gras. I think she's going to like this because it's not too big. This is another one that came from Deco Exchange. I just love this. The little polka dots are white sparkle. Hi Debbie, how are you? I finally got my garland up around my door Monday, and I used all leftover mesh. I wanted to see if it would work. Just doing regular leftovers, and it turned out really cute. So don't throw your leftover mesh away. Comes in handy. You guys like this ribbon on here? I think it's pretty. I have one daughter that does, I have to do bears of every kind for her. And one daughter, she likes pigs. One son likes elephants. One son likes eagles. So Christmas time is my fun time to make wreaths for them. In fact, that's how I got into the wreath business. I wanted all my kids to have a wreath on their door for Christmas. And so I went and purchased, you know, let's see, there was 9 families here. So I purchased nine of them, and it cost me $1,200 and something. And so I thought, oh, I'm not going to do that again. So that's how I started doing wreaths, is because I couldn't afford $1,200 every year just to make wreaths. So isn't that crazy? I didn't realize that I love doing crafts. I've always liked to oil paint, and I do some really nice oil paints. I'm going to have to do one of them. Well, I haven't decided whether I want to do it live or do it in our private group. I don't know how many people would like to watch me do a mountain scene. Okay, so that turned out really cute just like that. That's how it looks just with the ribbons in. I kind of like that. What do you think? You like it? I might put some tubing in it. But let's get this little guy. I think I want him right in the middle, because he's so big. He's a 12 by 12, so that's a big guy. Thank you, Joy. So now I have the real nice silver wire, and I just kind of go right straight through the mesh and onto the top of the rail. I think maybe I'm going to put a little bit of up, and I've got most of my items in there, but I don't have the descriptions or anything. I have the prices. So and I went back to Casey's. It used to be Casey's, the One Stop Boutique. So I got my website under Casey's, the One Stop Boutique again, so I can do other things. Thanks, Michelle. Okay, so let's see if that's in the middle there. Get our ribbons out. I think we're going to need some little goodies to put on it, though. So that's how he looks so far. Isn't that cute? Christmas rooster. Thanks, Donna. So that's how he's looking. Need to put him down a little bit tighter, I think. Once I get, let me show you what I do. Once I get him in place, then I take my wires like this, whatever I've got, I pull it up and make a ring, so it has just a ring right there. If you can see that. And then I twist it. And it just makes it stay on there a lot firmer. take it and twist it. And then you have a round loop at the end and nothing sticking out to, you know, scratch a door or anything like that. And somebody asked me the other day if I seal my wreaths, and I don't, except if they're going to go in the direct sunlight, and then I do spray them with sealer. But other than that, I don't. Just make a little loop and a twist. And you can cut off that extra wire and you're good to go. See, now you just have little loops in it, if you can see that. Okay, so, oh, I'm loving him. He's cute, cute. I think I'm going to put some tubing in there. This you can just get just about anywhere. This nice thick stuff. So what I do is just do a couple figure eights. And let's put some in here. Do 2 or 3 loops in one. I love the red too, and then just let's tuck that under. I think I just want him outlined in this, so I'll do a couple more. This way it kind of just stand out around him. Hi, Trina and Teresa. Nice to have you. See, I think that's going to look cute, just outlining in this red. And we probably won't need anything else. Go back and cut the twist ties off, or tuck them in. Of course, that looks kind of cute that way. That little black pop. See, so I'm just kind of making a frame around him with our mesh. I mean, with the tubing. Just going back and forth like that, making 3 loops and leaving a little bit of material in the. Well, I'm glad it's your first time watching. I hope you make it back more often now that you know we're here. Yeah, I want to thank all of you for hopping on today. Oh, yep, I love it, I love it, I love it. See, we've invented our own personal picture frame. We've got lots of different things we can stick in it too if we want. Hi, Eva. Like I said, I'm just doing a figure 8. So you have 3 loops in each one. On this last one, I'll just take one little bit so we have a little bit standing up and put it, just the one line in there. So isn't that cute the way that outlined him? Do you like it? Like that? I think it turned out cute. I did make a bow, a little bow for over here, but I'm not sure whether I want to put that on there or not. Hi, Teresa. So I might put that in there. Let's see how it'll look. Thanks. Maybe we'll just put that on the corner there. And I have a nice big bow, but I don't know whether I want to. I kind of like it without a bow. Let's see. Let me put this on the side. Okay, with or without a bow, what do you think? Of course, we won't leave them long tails there. With or without? Hearts for with and thumbs for not. Maybe you can't see it. Okay, we have one no bow. Two no bows. Yeah, that's what I was thinking. I just like this one little bow. I think that's enough right there. Maybe stick a few of the little, well, not these color, but let's see if we want to. Maybe we'll stick some of these just in there. Let's see how that works. Just sticking a couple of them in there. Actually, I think just maybe that. Put this at the top of the one bow. Okay, there you go. How do you like that? Cute, huh? I think it's cute. Okay, like I was saying, I see Don put up our links for our design group. There's 7 of us there, and it's called Team of Dreams. We have Susan with AC Inspired Wreaths. We have Robin with Robin's Wreathery. We have Rita with Rita's Wreath Barn. We have Sandy with Trending Designs by Sandy. We have Levon with Forever Dreams of You, and we have Dawn with Rooster Decor by Dawn, and myself, Carla, with the One Stop Boutique in Sunnyside City, Utah. It's $19.95 a month. There's 7 of us. We have Zoom calls on Monday and Zoom calls on Friday, both at 10 or at 6 p.m. And we just have lots of fun. It's all done on Zoom, so we get to talk back and forth to one another, and it's just really fun. So if you want to go check us out, and if you go to our page and like our page, it's called Fabulously Fine Designers, and go give our page a like. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm trying to get to 1,000. Let's see what else. make sure you put your name in the drawing, the King Sumo drawing. I'm going to give a collapsible mesh roller away, and it's just really nice. Or an Amazon gift card comparable to the same price. So anyway, does anybody have any questions about this little cutie? Oh, you were driving, so you couldn't respond, huh? Thank you guys, and thank you for stopping in and checking this out. I've just really enjoyed this whole last week doing lives every day. I mean, it's a lot of work doing them every day. I don't see how people do 30 days in a row. Oh, that's a lot of work. And then we've had 12 days of our group one, and it's been fun. We got one more day of that one, or two more. Oh, one more. And our designer tomorrow is going to be Dawn, with Rooster Decor by Dawn. Anyway, go make sure you put your name in the King Sumo thing that's going around, and share that so other people can get in on it. And then I think how they draw the name out for me too, so I don't have to do any of that stuff. So that's going to be fun. So anyway, thanks for stopping in the One Stop Boutique, and you've blessed my life, and I hope I've inspired you a little bit to do some more chickens. Chickens and piggies and cows. Love you too, Susan. I love all of you, and thank you again for all that you guys do for me. I don't know what I'd do without you. Okay. See you next week. Oh, I'm gonna try to do a YouTube weekly too. So I haven't decided what day to do that, but I'll let you know. And if you type live in the comments, I think, or else at the top of the thing, I can get you notified when I do that. So anyway, love you guys. Have a nice day.